Thank you for joining us on this Friday night on a day that changed America. We're outside the Supreme Court after the landmark decision that overturned Roe versus Wade and ended a woman's constitutional right to an abortion.
I mean, it's all just like overwhelming and it's hard to put how I feel into words that are cohesive. But I mean, it's just it's crazy the direction the world is turning, and it just seems like one thing after another, and I don't know. There's just it seems like everything's collapsing and there doesn't really seem like a way out. I mean, it's just good to try to donate to local abortion funds, and also not necessarily ones that are in Baltimore, other states where abortions aren't going to be legal. Just because in Baltimore and Maryland in general, we're going to be okay, which is I don't know. It makes it feel I feel less weight because I know I'm going to be okay here, but there's people that are not going to be okay, and that just it's horrifying and terrifying for all the people that live in those states. But I'm going to try to organize a benefit show for local abortion funds in the next month or so. So yeah, I mean, it's just we shouldn't forget that this happened.
This is kind of a breaking point for me in terms of thinking about where we are in America right now with civil rights and how far we're going back on everything. This is a personal issue for me just because of my own personal experiences. So many reasons, and mainly I had to get out of bed because I was having trouble doing that today in light of the news. Definitely people in government. I think people of my own party, I'm a Democrat, have been so lackluster in their response, and they have not been proactive on this issue. So I'm hoping, I'm praying that this will kind of be some kind of wake-up call. I'm not fully confident given all the things that have been happening recently under the Biden administration. I worked for his campaign, and I'm just completely devastated.
Me and my friend came out today. We woke up to the news, and I was like, of course, after the leak came out in May, I wasn't surprised at all, but I heard that they were having a thing out here, and I didn't plan on talking until I got here. I was when talking about abortion rights, it's impossible to not talk about the racial disparities that come with that. America has the highest mortality rate in a developed country, maternal mortality rate for when it comes to developed countries and women giving birth, and black women have the highest mortality rate in the world here than they do in predominantly black countries. And when you're taking away abortion rights from women, that directly impacts black women and brown women who don't have the money to go get a safe abortion, who don't have the resources, or if they do go get an abortion, they're likely to be turned away or to die in the process.
I'm alone in my apartment and this news drops, and I almost passed out, and the only way forward is through, and that starts with reminding myself that there is a whole community of like-minded people who are going to, do what it takes to help people who need it and take the right next steps moving forward. I was at work, right? I work remotely. I was on a team meeting, and I think I had the foresight to put my camera off. It's just amazing to me that, we're all expected to just keep doing our emails and our spreadsheets, and, for some of us, it really feels like this is the world ending. So it obviously all the stress reaction happens, right? My heart rate goes up, and my vision sort of went dark. I had to lay on the ground, and just horrified, really sad, just wishing that there was more of a compassionate paradigm in place today.